How to send Bitcoin from Coinbase anywhere for free, avoiding 100% of Coinbase's fees using GDAX. It's coming right up. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the CoinRocket YouTube channel, where we are now boarding for one-way trips to the moon. So if you'd like to join us, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into the tutorial. So this method works with any coin on Coinbase or GDAX. So if you have a Coinbase account, then you also have a GDAX account. So all you have to do is go to GDAX, GDAX.com, sign in. Should be able to sign in with your Coinbase account. And once you're signed in, you want to make sure that you have the currency that you want to deposit or withdraw selected. So I'm just gonna click on Bitcoin and hit deposit, and immediately you should be able to withdraw from your Coinbase account. So just use your Bitcoin wallet from your Coinbase account. Just enter in any amount and hit deposit funds. Successful, and that's it. It's already in your GDAX account. No fee at all. So let's say you want to send this somewhere like an exchange or an external wallet or a hardware wallet or wherever. All you have to do is hit withdraw, choose the Bitcoin address, enter in the amount, enter your two-factor authentication code, and hit withdraw funds. And the entire time there are no network transfer fees. Processing time is usually fast, about however long it takes for the Bitcoin transaction to send. So that's it. If you liked the video, go ahead and like it. If you didn't like it, you can dislike it, and if you loved it, then you can share it. So I'll see you next time.